4.
We got an Otis Series 1. Classic Otis Series 1, I can hear it. Nice.
Very 90s.
Yeah. Woo! I see what you mean by this is weird. 5 is locked, 4 works. So what's weird about this, Jeff, is it's hydraulic with a traction style car panel. So these 3-wide panels are usually only seen on traction elevators.
Huh. Interesting.
I've been looking for one of these for a long time.
Oh, wow.
I don't think we should probably walk around too much up here.
I want to get the chime up here.
Alarms.
I'm not going to go in there. What is this? Hold on, before you hit the button. Before you hit the button. It's theaters. A theater.
You snuck into a theater here?
What?
You snuck into a theater. Alright, let's head back to 1. Let's get a picture of this.
Oh, sorry.
I can't get a picture of this CLP. Whoops, I just focused on it. And it's rear door too. Interesting. Oh, I see where the floor lockouts are. They're
Oh, and you can see the key switches under here.
Yeah, the key switches, that's a common thing underneath there. And the floor lockouts. It says 5. Oh, 4 and 2 are the only ones unlocked.
Yeah, the chime.
Yeah. That is cool. Sorry. I see why you said that one's a cool one.
Yeah. And I'll just get this chime one more time. That's it.